Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to remove the background in Photoshop. Okay, so I'm just going to select a new project right now and I'll click on File, Place Embed, and I'll just locate a file that I can upload. Okay, so let me just get a picture right here. Okay, thumbnail images. Let me just select this and click on Place. So as you can see, there's the picture I just included into Photoshop. If you want to get rid of this background right here, okay, just click on the photo and you can see here it says remove background. Simply click on remove background and it will remove the background just like that. Then you can resize it. Now this isn't the best background. I should make the background white because the t-shirt is black, but you can see the background is removed. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.